Here is the world full of creators, and today we discuss this mysterious world, Mercury. Welcome to Universal Explorer. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. First of all, if you belong to Pakistan, then watch my video on another channel. Make yourself a part of Green Pakistan plantation movement to make Pakistan green with trees. The link is in description. Now we move toward our destination, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and the innermost planet in the solar system. It orbits around the Sun and takes 87.97 days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. Like Venus, Mercury orbits the Sun within Earth's orbit as an inferior planet, and its apparent distance from the Sun as viewed from the Earth never exceeds 28 degrees. This proximity to the Sun means that the planet can only be seen near the western horizon after the sunset or eastern horizon before the sunrise, usually in twilight. At this time, it may appear as bright star-like object, but is often far more difficult to observe than Venus. The planet telescopically displayed the complete range of phases similar to the Venus and Moon. Mercury rotates in the way that it is unique in the solar system. It is tidally locked with the Sun in 3:2 spins per orbit resonance, means that relative to the fixed star, it rotates on its axis exactly 3 times of every 2 revolutions it makes around the Sun. Mercury appears to have a solid silicate crust and mantle overlaying a solid iron sulfide outer core layer, a deeper liquid core layer, and a solid inner core. Mercury is one of the fourth terrestrial planet in the solar system and is a rocky body like Earth. It is the smallest planet in the solar system with an equatorial radius of 2439.7 kilometers. Mercury is slightly massive than the largest natural satellite in the solar system, Ganymede and Titan. Mercury consists of approximately 70% metallic and 30% silicate material. Mercury's density is the second highest in the solar system at 5.427 gram per centimeter cube, only slightly less than the Earth's density of 5.515 gram per centimeter cube. If the effect of gravitational compression were to be factored out from the both planets, the material of which Mercury is made would be denser than those of Earth, with an uncompressed density of 5.3 gram per centimeter cube versus Earth's 4.4 gram per centimeter cubes. Mercury's surface appears heavily cratered and is similar in appearance to the Moon's, indicating that it has been geologically inactive for billions of years. Having almost no atmosphere to retain heat, it has surface temperatures that vary diurnally more than on any other planet in the solar system, ranging from 100 Kelvin or minus 173 degrees Celsius or minus 280 degree Fahrenheit at night to 700 Kelvin or 426 degrees centigrade or 800 Fahrenheit during the day across the equatorial regions. The polar regions are constantly below 180 Kelvin or minus 93 degrees centigrade. The planet has no non-natural satellite. Two spacecraft have visited Mercury in the first one, and the first one is Mariner 10, which fly by the planet in 1974 and 1975, and second is Messenger spacecraft launched in 2004 and orbited Mercury over 4,000 times in 4 years before exhausting its fuel and crashing into the planet's surface on April 30, 2015. The Bepi Colombo spacecraft is planned to arrive at Mercury in 2025. So this is the short story of the innermost planet Mercury. I hope you like my efforts, so press the like or dislike button and don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you.